Hello everyone, my name is Prizma.garcia, your San Diego County real estate agent. Today we are at 11323 Treble Street, located in the community of Mira Mesa in San Diego, California. Now this single-story home is 1568 square feet, listed just under $1.2 million. It has 3 beds, 2 full baths, and a 2-car garage. I think that you'll really like this house. Let's go check it out. Thank you so much for taking that tour with me. Now this house has been recently updated with luxury vinyl planking, fresh interior and exterior paint, has an oversized quartz waterfall island, quartz countertops in the bathroom, and so much more. If you like this house or have others in mind, I'll put my contact information here so that we can help guide you through your home purchase. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any future videos. This is Prizma.Garcia, your San Diego County real estate agent. Thank you so much for supporting. Bye!